In today's video, we're going to look at this heavy-duty suction phone mount. So if you have a long cabin like I do, you want one like this. Also, they give you an additional extension for the vent in case you do want that. So I'm going to show you how it works in my big truck. Stay tuned for the whole video. So here we are in my truck, and you can see that this is the mount. It's a pretty cool carbon fiber looking one. There's a rubbery sort of like a thing here. This snaps into place depending on the width of your device, and you can't bring it back. You have to press this button, and only then that it comes out. See, so you can tighten it on your phone, press the button, that's gonna automatically release it. This comes in and out as well, right? And you can see that I'm tugging on it, and this is doing a pretty decent job in holding it. This will also rotate any way you want, and right here is where you tighten it for going up and down. To remove it, there's like a tab here, and there's a plastic thing here. So you can lift the plastic, press on the tab. There we go. This is like a sticky surface. And then again, press, even without tightening up the bottom part, which you do, this creates that additional suction, right? So it's not gonna move. So it's got a little give when you're riding off-road, but it remains still. And you can also push it in as well. Now you can remove this and then pull this out. They give you this other one. This is a vent holder that you basically put this on, and then you can swap this here. See? And then you can have your mount here instead of there. So here is the mount. So you press this button and it opens it up, and then you can pretty much fit any case and squeeze it off. You can do this way, rotate it, push this in, because this comes out super strong even without like removing it. See, so this kind of drops it a little bit, but this will definitely fits the cases as well. So all in all, pretty good little mount.